This neat little Nashville warbler was born up in the dense forests of northern Minnesota or southern Canada this summer. It's on its way to southern Mexico to spend the winter. So we see them moving through Iowa right now in late August and early September. Note the kind of very distinct light ring around the eye of this little Nashville warbler, and then the gray around its face. It doesn't have any wing bars, no color, light color on the wings, yellow extending all the way from its breast right down to under its tail, and then kind of an olive green back. So it really is a beautiful little bird there. They do like kind of brushy habitat, and they're kind of quick moving through the underbrush, again picking out bugs. They're exclusively insect eaters. And in the fall now, you might find them kind of moving around with any chickadees in the area. So be on the lookout for Nashville warblers migrating through northeast Iowa right now. This cute little warbling vireo could have nested right here at Lake Meyer Park this summer, although they do nest further north into Minnesota, so this could either be a resident bird or a migrant. They're moving down to western Mexico for the winter and fueling up for that journey right here. Now, during the summer, warbling vireos eat mostly caterpillars, ants, and spiders. But in the fall now, when maybe some of the bugs aren't quite so common, they enjoy eating a few berries. This one is munching on a gray dogwood berry right there, which probably tastes a lot better than poison ivy berries, which they're said to eat too. The warbling vireo here doesn't have a lot of color as far as kind of some of our little songbirds go, but it does have a little kind of a pale gray cap, as you can see right there, and a faint gray stripe through its eye. So watch for warbling vireos, especially around gray dogwood shrubs now in the early autumn. This pretty white Indian pipe is a rather amazing plant because even though it is a wildflower, it does not produce any chlorophyll, so it can't produce its own food. In that case, it, you might say, shares food with mushrooms that are living under the ground, especially mushrooms that are in the Rusula genus, and so the roots of the Indian pipe tap into the mushroom mycelium underground, and they, you might say, siphon off some of the mushroom's food. In return, this Indian pipe plant does have roots of its own, and it does gather up other nutrients underground and share some of those with the mushroom. So it's a symbiotic relationship in that case. The Rusula mushrooms usually grow near oak trees, so around old oak trees and a nice ungrazed forest would be a good place to look for the Indian pipe plant, otherwise known as the ghost flower.